All of to come back a big game happening this weekend. It's the Carling knockout final as Orlando Pirates go head to head with Marummo Gallants at Polokwane's new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Of course, it's going to be a sold out affair, and abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle kahle umdlalo uzohamba kanjani in terms of my prediction. Yazi ke masifike Hero Hotel ke bafethu ifiber le eseqopheleni eliphezulu ngisho wathi use East Rand area usophongolo use Polokwane use Cape Town noma kanjani ngaphandle kokungabaza will hook you up ukwazi ukuthi nawe ke ustream in a seamless kind of way. Ngokubona nje ngila ngine studio sami ngikwazi nokusakaza kahle ngendlela eseqopheleni eliphezulu ngizwa kamnandi ekhaya, all thanks to Hero Hotel. Nawe kungaba contact, I'll tag their TikTok, Facebook and Instagram page so that uzokwazi ukuba DM abesokhuluma nabo. Asibuye la kule game. Obviously this is the League Cup and I've already explained this before in previous videos ukuthi this is the League Cup. Previously it was sponsored by Telkom Knockout. Right now it's sponsored by Carling Black Label. Before Telkom it was sponsored by Coca-Cola. Before Coca-Cola I think it was known as JPS. At some point it was known as Datsun Challenge. Over the years, since its inception, Orlando Pirates has only ever won this trophy once. There was 2011, beating beat Westvets 3-1. Lapana at Durban's iconic Moses Mabhida Stadium. I was there on that rainy night, and kwakushube kakhulu ngendlela eyisimangaliso. So all in all, in total, Pirates has played 9 finals in this particular competition, losing 8 of them, winning 1. So kuyakhombisa ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakala. Now let's look at the head to head between Orlando Pirates ne Marummo Gallants in recent games. In recent games, Orlando Pirates last season ishaya Marummo Gallants ngo 8-1, but second leg yakwazi Marummo Gallants ukuwina ngo 2-0, and okuphawulekayo kakhulu what's quite important and what's quite remarkable about that particular game ukuthi Abdeslam Wadu, who is now the coach of Orlando Pirates, was on the opposite bench, and Masindi Nemtajela, who's now an Orlando Pirates midfield general, was playing for the opposition. So uyabona ukuthi there are so many things involved here in terms of player relations. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi iMarummo Gallants nayo inondaba ithethwa ndlondlo noOtladisa abasuka ku-Orlando Pirates. Pirates yaza ithole revenge kwi-Nedbank Cup ngesikhathi kora uKabelo Dlamini. Orlando Pirates iwina ngobani? Ngo-1-0 kwi-Nedbank Cup. This season Marummo Gallants shy Pirates ngo 2-1, coming from behind to beat Pirates 2-1 in the league. Wow! So it's got up by no stretch of imagination an easy game, this one. I know that most people are expecting an easy victory for Orlando Pirates. And now this is very important. In order for Gallants to reach the final, they had to eliminate Sundowns and Stellenbosch, team athletic final, and those are big teams. And the penalty shootout, they've got Washington Arubi, who's so good in my penalties. Somebody against Sundowns, somebody against Golden Arrows. Orlando Pirates have also got a good penalty stopper in Sipho Chain, their goalkeeper. Bafana's number 2. So who's taking this one? My prediction is Marummo Gallants will win the trophy.